Good morning, everybody. It is 7:30 in the morning and I am rushing out the door. I have to be at the store for 10, but I'm gonna go sit at Starbucks beforehand to edit my video, just because I need Starbucks. Well, I don't need it, but want it. But also, I just need somewhere to sit and edit that I'm like already in town. So I'm gonna get out of here and I will catch up with you guys later. It's magical out today. It really is. Okay. Just look at how big that snow is. It's beautiful. That is the noise of winter, folks. That is the sound of a snowplow. Yes, I look like a crazy person right now because I am vlogging alone in a parking garage. But look at this magic. Look at it. This is downtown Kingston on the inside. Okay, I gotta haul butt to the store. I did not get my video uploaded because it's still exporting when I left, so I don't know if my computer has been exporting it the whole time while I drove here, but I had to leave. It took me half an hour almost to drive here from already in the city, and that never happens. But because the roads are really bad. Actually not terrible, like I'm fine with every winter tires, but still. So let's go to the store. That's where I'm headed. Okay. Cute. Oh, look what I'm doing today. Okay. I'm just like trying to contain myself over here because Pennington's shared my photo on their account. Like, shared the photo I took. I will show you. Look, that's me. on their Instagram account. That's me. They follow me and they like my photos, but they put it on their stories. They shared the actual post onto their stories. Just, I'm sweating a little. I'm trying not to cry, and I'm freaking out. That is like, when they followed me, I like was very excited, probably overly excited, but they've never done that before. I'm genuinely like sweating. Yeah, anyway, it's cool, it's cool. I'll be fine. Okay, so I'm freezing. I just got back into my car after being in the store all day. I didn't really get any footage in there other than when I first opened because, to be honest, it was really fucking busy all day and I had a lot to do. And I didn't even get all of the bags stamped like I needed to, although I do have tomorrow too. So, my hair looks really terrible. Looks so stringy when I don't straighten it. Oh well, anyway. So I'm quite cold. I'm just sort of getting the car to warm up. So if you can hear the fan and all that, that's what's happening. I need to get out of the parking garage fairly quickly because I've already paid and everything. So, yeah. But I need to warm up the car because it's freezing. Hello everyone. Is there something? No, just like a scratch or a smudge on the lens. Cool. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but oh shit, I can't be playing Christmas music. Hi, good morning. We're back where we left off pretty much. I'm gonna combine yesterday and today into one vlog because I didn't really get anything yesterday. So, you know, we're just gonna combine the two. That's fine. It's Vlogmas, anything goes. Well, not really anything. People are particular about how they want their Vlogmas, but whatever. I'm back in the store today because it's Saturday. Normally I'm not in the store on Fridays, because, wow, did I say that? Just realizing I put up on my, community post that this video would be out Monday. I meant Sunday. It's fine. Everything is fine. Alright. My brain is clearly not working. I did not have time to eat breakfast or really do anything other than like put my clothes on and run out the house. Because I needed to upload yesterday's vlog for this morning. Because, not yesterday, but like the day before, I guess. Day 6. Because I couldn't upload it here in the store because the internet here is really slow, and so if I try to upload a video here, the iPad for the point of sale stops working, so I can't do that. I don't really have anything else to say. No, nothing else to say. It's beautiful out. It's not snowing. I'm hoping it melts a lot of the shit off the sidewalks so it's easier to walk around, but it's pretty cold out still, so I don't think I have anything else to say. I have all of these bags left to stamp and stickers, so we'll get a little ASMR going for you. I'm just coming on to end the vlog because Friday and Saturday are combined and it's now Sunday, and I'm on my way to sit in Starbucks for a couple of hours to edit this. But I don't think I ended the vlog yesterday. I was mid stamping bags and a customer came in and I just shut it off and was like, bye. So I think that's the last time I talked to you. I can't remember. We'll find out when I edit this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, you know, all the things. Subscribing really helps my channel a lot, actually. It helps me see that the things I'm doing are working and that you like it. Liking the video also really helps because it means it shows me that you like the video, but it also shows YouTube you like the video, so that you actually end up seeing my stuff when I put it up when you're subscribed and things. So anyway, thanks again, and I will see you guys soon. Tomorrow, probably. Yeah, probably. Bye.